Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Irene, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my package from Astrid&Miyu, which is a jewelry store that is located in the UK. So if you're interested to see what I got from them, then let's get straight into it. So here is the package that came in the mail yesterday, and I'm just filming it the next day after. So I have kind of opened up this part so it's easy for me to get into, but I actually haven't gotten into anything inside yet. So for those of you that maybe are unaware who Astrid&Miyu are, they are a company that creates fine jewelry, but relatively affordable, and they are based in the UK. I learned about them from Lydia Elise-Millen, who is one of my favorite YouTubers and luxury bloggers. So that's where I learned about this company from. So I actually already wear their earrings. So I've got stacks here on this ear. So if you take a look, I've got 3 on this side, and then 2 on this side, just because I like the unevenness of my earrings. So I've got 3 on this side, 2 on here, and they have been in my ears for, I want to say 3-4 years. I don't take them out when I shower. I don't take them out when I'm sleeping. The rare occasion where I take them out is when I change into some different earrings, but 99.9% of the time I am wearing their earrings, and they are holding up fantastically. So I decided to make another order because I am switching over to more gold-based jewelry. So I want to have the option to wear gold jewelry like this one right here, this necklace, and have matching gold earrings. So without further ado, let's get into this container. So it opens up and it just looks like this inside. It is, oh, got a card in here. It's an A&M party and you're invited. And then I think this is my order slips. Inside this box, that's all really cute and pink, it looks like this. Now they've changed the packaging just ever so slightly since I ordered them a few years ago, my earrings. So I think they've changed to a little bit more compact packaging and sustainable looking packaging. So I ordered 4 things, so 2 sits at the top and I'm guessing 2 underneath, and I'll just get straight into it. Right in here, look how cute that packaging is. Astrid&Miyu, and it's just a drawstring. So in here, I don't even know what's in here. I have, oh, so this is an ear cuff. I will show you guys and like put all the descriptions of all the items that I ordered down below, but this is an ear cuff. So it looks like it's 2, but it's really connected as 1, and one side has all the like jewels and the other side is just a gold piece, and it just cuffs onto your ear. That is the first little piece. I know it's super small. I'm going into the second drawstring pouch, and in here we have, oh, they're so small. Where is it? Oh, okay. So these are called the Mystic Drop Gems in the gold, and you see the little gem in the middle. These ones I'm pretty sure are not diamonds like the ones that I have in my ears right now, but they're very pretty, very simple little hoops. So that's the second item I got. The third thing I got is in this beautiful Astrid&Miyu packaging, which would work perfectly as a gift. So if you open it up, we've got the felt covering, and inside, let's just do that. Inside here, we have, oh, this is the barbell kind of, this is called the Navette fan barbell in gold. So if you can take a look at that, it's the one for my 3rd piercing on my right ear, which is uneven from my left. So that's where that one's going. It's very pretty. It's like a fanned out leaf. And finally, for the last item that I got, we have here, oh, I might as well just take this off at this point. Here is the last item, and these are what they call the Huggies. They're the Wreath crystal Huggies in gold. So if you take a look at those, they are beautiful. They've got crystals embedded in them. So I'm going to go and put these in my ears so that they match the current gold jewelry that I am wearing, and I'll be right back and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so I've just zoomed you guys in a little bit because I finished putting in my earrings, and I'm sorry if my ears are looking a little bit red, but I'll show you kind of like a close-up of what they look like right now. Here is the Navette fan barbell right here, and underneath that we have the wreath, the Mystic Gem wreath, I think, and here is the Mystic drop earrings with the little gem dangling underneath. I love that. And then on this side, this is the first time I've ever worn an ear cuff, but it actually is surprisingly comfortable. So I'll show you guys right here. I don't know, can you guys see? Right here, I've got the ear cuff. Again, we've got the wreath and then the Mystic drop earring. I think they look really pretty and really cute, and they pair perfectly with all of the gold jewelry that I've been liking to wear lately. So I'm very, very happy with my order. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it was a really quick and short one, but I really wanted to share the items that I purchased from Astrid&Miyu because I truly love their products and I think they are great quality. If you guys found this video helpful or if you liked it, please remember to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to join our little community here. As always, thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch my video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!